What's a unique name? Unique. Uniqua.
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 Unique.
Arawachukuya. So cute!
Oh, wait. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, try your little thing.
Oh. Oh. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh. I like this one. This is gonna scare me. Oh, I like that one.
I like those.
Ew.
Ew. Droopy.
That's so cute. Oh my gosh. That's cute. I like the taco. I don't know.
That one's weird.
Like you.
I'm a fan of the mustache.
He's hungry.
Oh. How do you eat them?
You have to put back the little,
Oh.
yeah.
Right here? Wait.
No, you have to click the arrow.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now just drag it to him.
Okay.
You have to, like, hold it down.
Yeah, I'm really bad with Max. Yum, yum, yum.
You look so depressed.
Can I open another one?
Yeah, until it's all the way up.
This is like Neopet.
Yeah, I know. He's just cute. I don't know. Now you wash him.
No.
You're so dirty. He's like, fine.
Okay.
I give it.
Now you play the ball with him.
Cute. Do it again. Oh. How do I play with him?
I guess like that you play.
Oh.
And I take him for a ride. Oh, there you go. You got it.
Come on.
Ride the bike.
Oh no.
Click the knife.
Ah! Why did he die? Friends are there and then you can't.
That's horrible. Wait.